Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. After that, download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now choose while using the app, tap on Allow and click Home button. After that, select iOS Launcher, choose Always and tap Got it. Then OK. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!